Network security group. What exactly network security group is? It's also called NSG. So NSG is think like it's a security guard for your Azure network. It's check who can enter and who can leave your virtual machine or resources. Just like guard check your ID card and then it allow you means guard allow you to go inside in the building. So network security group is like a security guard, right? Network security guard, or we can say NSG network security group, is placed with two level. One is the subnet level, another is the network interface level. Subnet level, that is the protocol that entire lane contains, right? Whereas network interface level is the project and a single house. Single house means it is a specific virtual machine in which it allow you to enter. So overall, if you talk about the NSG or if you want to understand about the NSG, so think like NSG is the as a security guard and it checks who can enter and who can leave inside the building. Now come to the definition. NSG means a network security group in a security filter. Like here, it's a filtering the data, right? Filter in Azure that control inbound means who can go inside and outbound who can go outside the traffic to Azure resources like virtual machine, subnet, NIC, right? NIC. So network interface. It worked like the virtual firewall, allow and denying the network traffic based on the rule defined. Right? Means as told you that it's like a security guard. So security guard, what check? It's check the ID card. Here, what we will check? We will check some rules and regulations, source and destination, ports and protocols. How it works? Each NSG contain list of the security rules. Yes, there will be some rules which it will check and then it will allow or deny. Each rule is specific whether the traffic is allowed or denied. Rule are processed in the priority orders. Right. Lowest number and highest priority. Imagine you have a virtual machine that is running in the application. You can create an energy for these rules that allow inbound traffic, HTTP traffic on the port 80 for the web access, allow inbound RDP, remote desktop traffic on the port of 3389 for the admin access, deny all other inbound traffic. Then attach the NSG to the UVM's subnet or network interface. Now only web and RDP traffic can be reached to the VM. All other traffic is blocked. So here what we did, we implemented some rule by the NSG and that will allow only a port 80 and RDP 3389. Rest of the traffic will come, then it will block them. Right. Suppose means it allow that the guard have those who have I-card that those people will only allow to go inside the building, rest will not. Same here, set of rules are there. You can allow, you can add lots of rules to go inside and go outside. Means inbound rule and also the outbound rule. And then it will check all the rules and if it's means if all the rules are followed as per the NSG rule, then it will allow the traffic, otherwise it will block them.